Here are the two schools for tonight's show, St. Jago High and Westwood High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. From St. Jago High, we have team captain David Gale, Leroy Casanova, Joel Henriquez, and Shanari Lindsay. From Westwood High, we have Tashika Marsh, Abijay Neves, Samoya Miller, and team captain Jamela Blackwood. Hello everyone. Welcome to the third match in round 3 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Jago High won, and they decided to go first. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. St. Jago, we begin with mathematics. Factorize the expression 49 plus 42b.
7 plus 6b. So this is
7 into 7 plus 6b.
That is correct. Mathematics for Westwood. Factorize the expression 28 plus 32s.
4.
That is
4 into 7 plus 8s.
Correct. Local affairs. Look at the monitor, St. Jago. Identify this person.
Garnet Roper. Garnet Roper.
Correct. Local affairs, Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
that is
Christopher Barnes.
Incorrect. Nigel Holness, President of the Jamaica Bankers Association. History for St. Jago. The War of the Third Coalition was a European conflict that ended in what year?
1945. 1945.
Incorrect. 1806. History for Westwood. The Battle of Trafalgar was a naval engagement fought by the British Royal Navy in what year?
1805.
Correct. Music for St. Jago. Listen to the clip. Identify the artist.
Yolanda Adams. Wait. Sure. No. Vicky Yo.
That's correct. Music, Westwood. Listen to the clip. Identify the artist.
We fall down, but we get up.
Donnie McCurkin.
Correct. Physics for St. Jago. Whose law predicts that a current-carrying conductor will be surrounded by a concentric magnetic field?
Gauss law.
Incorrect. Ampere's law. Physics for Westwood. The magnetic field inside a solenoid is dependent on the medium, the turn density, and what other factor?
The current.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. St. Jago, look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Melissa Leo. Melissa Leo.
Incorrect. America Ferreira. Theatre and cinema for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Blake Lively.
Correct. Spanish for St. Jago. Give an equivalent English proverb for llueve a cántaros.
Cántaros. Raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs.
Correct. Spanish for Westwood. Give an equivalent English expression for como quien oye llover.
that is
Never rains but it pours. It never rains but it pours.
No, it's like water off a duck's back. Sports for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Donovan Duki. Donovan Duki.
Correct. Sports for Westwood. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Rudolph speed.
Correct. Information technology, St. Jago. ADSL is a data communications technology that enables faster data transmission over copper telephone lines. What does the acronym ADSL stand for?
Asymmetric digital subscriber line.
Correct. Information technology, Westwood. DSLAM, that's DSLAM, is a network device that connects multiple customers. What does the acronym DSLAM stand for?
That is
Dynamic synchronous line access module.
No, digital subscriber line access multiplexer. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. And let's see the scores. St. Jago High are on 6 and Westwood High are also on 6. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns after these messages.